Okay, Mitsubishi Delica 1994 from Japan, 2.8 liter diesel, and this is sort of a walkthrough. We had this for 6 years. Love this car. Okay, gonna start the engine. Okay, looking inside the interior. It's got over 200,000 kilometers. You got a choice of four-wheel drive, or four-wheel drive locked, or four-wheel drive sort of ATV mode. You have a video player that plays video and radio as well. You can watch a movie in the winter days. Okay, it has a skylight, and as well as the automatic crystal roof. You can open or close. Works perfectly fine, no leaks. And this car also has auto curtain of all the places, so you have a auto curtain button, and right now it's locked in, but if you press a button, you will close the close the curtain for you. And the back, sort of turning to about queen size bed. It also becomes a seat for 3 passengers at the back and maybe 4 on the last one. It comes with a sink, and also there's a fridge beside. Okay, and there's a control panel. It's got venting fans. It's, if you read Japanese, then you will tell exactly what they'll do. Yeah, great van. All the lights works. Okay.